Did you grow up in the 80s and 90s and watched many Japanese cartoons like Seiya, for example? Then definitely this video is going to be for you. Don't go away. What's up everybody, and welcome back in yet another epic tutorial of Diorama Builders. In today's video we are going to talk something that I've been watching since childhood in the 80s. It's one of my most favorite Japanese anime cartoons, Seiya. For those who don't know what I'm talking about, Seiya is based on Greek mythology. And it's about the resurrection of the goddess Athena. And yeah, you have 5 main characters with bronze armor who have to fight their way in epic battles, you know, to save her, yeah, from all evil, of course, against scum like Hades or Poseidon, stuff like that. So I found this on the internet. I printed everything out, so the helmet, the sides, the famous mohawk, and the front pieces, of course. And this is going to be the helmet of the sign Ram. The person is called Mu in the series. He's the first gold synth that we are going to see in the battle on Sanctuary. And of course, spoiler alert, this is going to be my first helmet of Seiya that I'm going to do. So how are we going to process this helmet? First of all, we are going to glue stuff together. And then with some wood filler and my famous spray putty, we are going to cover everything up. And afterwards we are going to use a spray paint gold. It's gold with a chrome effect. Okay, let's get started, guys.